This breakthrough in exploring the human genetic code is a massive leap forward in the fight against cancer. Now, a simple, inexpensive saliva test carried out by family doctors could give patients a personalised risk profile, paving the way for tailored screening, with those most at risk having more regular health checks.
I think the technology will exist to be able to do these tests quite quickly, and the main challenge over the next 3 to 5 years is to work out exactly how to put all this information together to make it usable by GPs.
The researchers compared the genetic code of thousands of healthy men and women with thousands more who had developed the cancers. In the case of prostate cancer, those more at risk were 5 times more likely to develop the cancer and had a 50-50 chance of doing so. For one type of breast cancer, women with the most faulty DNA were 3 times more likely to get the cancer, and a third of them did. Some fear that the DNA information could be used by health insurers or employers to screen out people with high risk. But for those like Emma Parlins, who discovered she had a high chance of developing breast cancer, the breakthrough is welcome.
Anything that tells us more about cancer and which of us are more likely to get cancer is just fantastic. The fact that I think you could go to your GP and take this saliva test and find out much more about your risk of this awful disease is brilliant.
Britain, for instance, has never introduced a national screening programme for prostate cancer, the most common amongst men. The existing tests here are simply not accurate enough. But this breakthrough changes all that. Targeted screening could be operating in the National Health Service within 5 years. Tim Friend, Al Jazeera, London.